Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APYX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy price movement today, and then you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is essentially where the bleeding finally stopped today. So nothing fancy about this level down around the $8 mark, other than, like I said, the fact that essentially, that is where the bleeding finally did indeed stop. So that'll be, if this downwards momentum here from the final 30 minutes does continue, then by no means, or excuse me, not $8, $6. By no means is the $6 mark, some sort of like great discovery on my part. A lot of people are going to be watching that level. A lot of people are going to be wondering, is that level going to hold? And when a lot of eyeballs are watching and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. But that's going to be the area that you're going to want to see hold strong, if the price does get down there. But if it doesn't, then again, because of a lot of eyeballs watching it, it could create some dynamic price movements, further in the downwards direction. But right now, you got to give credit where credit's due, and the price has done a good job so far of holding up above that level. Now, what happens if the price starts to bounce back upwards? It was doing actually a really good job of doing that until that final 30 minutes showed up, like I've already pointed out. But in the event this kind of levels out and then tries to turn itself back around, the initial level to keep an eye on going to be right up there, where essentially that bounce stopped right up there at the $7 mark. So $7 will be the initial area of resistance. If the price can push up through there, next key level after that point would be the 50-period moving average, which on my chart is being denoted there by that purple line. But definitely as things stand right now, absolutely no point to be talking about the 50-period moving average, as long as the price is still down below that $7 mark. So a lot of volatility in this one. I know I'll be watching it tomorrow, so we'll see how it plays out.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.